Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Neeti here. Thank you for subscribing. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, let me tell you, I talk about relationships, men specific relationships, क्योंकि बहुत बारी ऐसा होता है कि women are complicated, men are simple, men को आधी बातें समझ में नहीं आती हैं. So you have come to the right place where I try and make it simple for you from a woman's point of view. Today's topic is 10 non-physical things that you can do to seduce her. मेरे पास इसके बहुत सारे DMs आए थे कि नॉन फिजिकल नॉन सेक्सुअल वे में कैसे सिड्यूस किया जा सकता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1. Okay, when a guy is holding the door of a restaurant, अगर आप लंच के लिए डिनर के लिए जा रहे हैं, वो पहले एंटर करती हैं, लेकिन उनके एंटर करने से पहले अगर आप दरवाज़ा ऐसे खोल देते हैं, इट्स क्वाइट अ टर्न ऑन फॉर वुमेन, दे लाइक इट. या फिर अगर आप लोग शॉपिंग पे जा रहे हैं एंड यू नो यू आर द वन जिसने शॉपिंग बैग्स पकड़ रखे हैं, या फिर मान लीजिए उनके हाथ में सामान है एंड यू आर ऑल्सो कैरिंग हर बैग. ओ माई गॉड, इट इज सच अ बिग टर्न ऑन फॉर वुमेन. नंबर 2. ओके, when you're out somewhere on a date, you know, and कोई elderly person आ जाता है या फिर कोई other women has come, you will always get up and offer your seat. You know, कभी पब्लिक प्लेस में रेस्टोरेंट में अगर आप हैं और वहाँ पे चेयर्स नहीं है, आप अपने आप उठ के दे देते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ह्यूज टर्न ऑन फॉर अ वुमन. ओके, या फिर मान लीजिए अगर आप लिफ्ट में हैं, आप यू जस्ट एंटर द लिफ्ट एंड देयर आर अदर पीपल ऑल्सो कमिंग, वो आ रहे हैं, बस आपने बटन दबा दिया बस लिफ्ट को होल्ड करने के लिए, यू नो, दूसरों के लिए. या फिर वेटर्स, व्हेन यू आर आउट ऑन अ डेट विद हर, अगर आप वेटर से रिस्पेक्टफुली बात करते हैं, प्यार से बात करते हैं, यू नो, इट जस्ट गोज टू शो दैट यू आर अ ट्रू जेंटलमैन, बिकॉज द वुमेन always notice. And जो girls and women ये चीज़ें notice करती हैं आपके बारे में, trust me, you want to be with someone like her. Moving on to point number 3. Okay, this one you're gonna laugh, all right, when I tell you women get seduced by men who do not gossip. I'm thinking कि women love to gossip, right? हम तो हमेशा ही gossip करते हैं, but then if you don't want a partner who doesn't gossip, तो फिर आप करेंगे किसके साथ? Well, so basically, women in general, 99% of the women, they love to gossip with their girlfriends and not with their partners. Women get seduced by men in a non-sexual, non-physical way अगर एक man confident है. So yes, it's extremely important. I've been repeating it time and again. That's very important for you guys to be confident. I'm not saying you go to a shop and you buy confidence, and no, you have to just work on yourself. It's basically not only कि how you're carrying yourself. आप कैसे भी बाल और कैसे भी clothes के साथ, it doesn't matter your hair and your clothes. But if you're confident, your personality is confident, you know what you're talking, and you know that how you're going to present yourself while you are talking. एक conversation में अगर confidence है ना, तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. And that is a turning on point for a woman. Moving on to point number 6. Okay, ये वाला पॉइंट तो आप सब अग्री करेंगे कि women get seduced by men in a non-sexual way अगर men होते हैं focused at work. देखिए, anyway men बहुत ज़्यादा multitask नहीं कर पाते हैं. So when they are focused at one work, it could be your office, it could be your studies, it could be anywhere, whatever that you're doing, आप उसमें focused हैं. You know that you इतने से इतने टाइम तक I am busy and I will not check my phone, I will not call you, I will not text you. Basically आपने boundaries set कर रखी हैं. You know, one of my exes, हमारी जो रिलेशनशिप थी ना, उसमें he was just so busy at work that it was very very clear कि every day at 3 o'clock in the afternoon मैं मैसेज करूँगा. And that is the time when we are going to talk. So 3 o'clock was the time I really used to look forward to. And before that, maybe you know, I did not have expectations that, you know, he's going to call or he's going to message, because he was focused at work always and he had set the boundaries, and it was such a turn on point. So yes, women love that about men, and that is how they get seduced. Moving on to point number 7. Okay, this one is going to surprise you, but trust me, I think I agree with that somewhere. Women like men who are good drivers. Now, whether you are on a bike, taking her out somewhere on long drive, या फिर आप कार में हैं, wherever you are, okay? I mean, if you are a good driver, I think women just feel very safe, and it's extremely important for her to feel safe in a relationship. And that is why it's a huge seduction point for a woman. If you guys are together and you're a good driver, I think it always works. All right, this point, I think आप कहेंगे this is very Hollywood Bollywood style, but no, it's not. Every woman likes it. They get seduced by men who are into some kind of sport, या फिर उनकी कोई hobby है कि weekends आपकी जैसे weekend mornings हैं, you know, you've gone out to play a match. It could be a football, it could be a cricket match, or you have a certain hobby, you know. आप my ex used to, you know, he was very much into sustainable homes. तो उसके बहुत सारे कोर्सेज होते थे. He used to be at the hills, you know, and come back and get into the whole sustainability कि आज weekend पे ऐसे करेंगे और वैसे करेंगे. It's a huge turn on, you know. And of course, most of the guys and men, you know, they do have some hobby or the other, especially sports. And that is something which is a huge turn on for women. All right, moving on to another point. और ये point भी थोड़ा ज़रूरी है. I don't know how many men are into it, but at least the kind of friends I have, they are into pets and animals. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि आपको एक dog रखना है या cat रखना है. No, that is not what I'm saying. I'm saying that if you are just generally fond of animals and you are compassionate towards them, देखिए street dogs भी हैं अगर आपके college के पास, office के पास, घर के पास, and you are making it a point to उनको you know to give them milk या उनको biscuits दे दिए, एक bowl में कुछ और खाना दे दिया. This just goes to show that you're compassionate towards animals. It could be anybody, any animal, you know. And that is again a huge turn on point, non-physical way to seduce a woman. And मेरा last point क्या है? Well, it's about a man who has a plan. देखिए, अगर आप दोनों बाहर जा रहे हैं and a woman will always get seduced by a man who knows exactly what he's doing on that date. It could be आपकी initial dates हों या आप लोग you are in a proper relationship या फिर आप married हो. But if the man knows कि अच्छा मैं पहले यहाँ लेके जाऊँगा, फिर हम dessert के लिए यहाँ जाएंगे, or maybe we're going out for a movie, any of such things, trust me, it's a huge turning point. I hope this video helps you some way or the other. I know कहीं तो कोई point आपको connect करेगा, और अगर नहीं है so you will, I'm sure, get a clarity कि non-physical way में भी आप women को seduce कर सकते हैं because they always notice men अलग अलग चीज़ों को लेके. So yes, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell button because next time जो मेरा नया video होगा उसके लिए आपको notification ज़रूर से मिलेगा. So yes, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.